More time, Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and today is day 2 of the Facebook 5-day live video challenge. That's a free challenge, and today's topic is how to stay focused. So if you are an online entrepreneur, it's very important topic, that how to stay focused, because online world is a big information world, and once you are online, there are gazillion of things to do and gazillion of photos to look at, things to do, chat, talk. So there is a lot going on online. If you are not focused, then you are losing your efficiency, your time, your business hours. So you are not progressing that much as you are supposed to be, and at the end of the day you're gonna look, oh, I did not accomplish anything, and I did not even I did not even finish my tasks. So this is going to happen if you are not focused. So I am going to give you a few tips how to stay focused. There are many videos over there in the YouTube how to stay focused and everything, but I am going to give you my original tips which I apply every day, and then I stay focused. For me, number 1 is start your day with the right foot. When you start your day with the right foot, then you are grounded, and then you are doing your tasks, you are focused, you are finishing your lists. When I wake up, number 1 thing is I start my day with the exercise. So start your day with any form of exercise you like, either walking, running, yoga, bicycle, any form of exercise. Start your day with the exercise and then a little meditation. And number 2 is make fewer decisions. Do not make too many decisions that you have to do throughout the day. Let me get rid of this notification. 1 second. So right now I cannot answer that. Where was I? I was at the number 2, make fewer decisions. When you make fewer decisions, then you are able to concentrate on them. If you make too many decisions, then you are like distracted. When you have too much on your plate, you are distracted, you are not able to focus even on one thing. So make fewer decisions, make 1, 2 or 3 decisions, so that you can focus on one and finish one, and then you can move forward. And number 3 is stop browsing. Stop browsing everything. Stop scrolling news feeds and friends and all the on social medias, on Instagram, on Facebook. Stop scrolling. Make a time for scrolling. I'm not saying stop altogether, but make a certain time, either in the afternoon or in the evening, or if you want to do in the morning, then do in the morning. Make certain time. Make if you want to do a half hour in the morning, a half hour in the afternoon, and later on in the evening. Make some type of schedule for browsing, for looking at photos, news feed, for friends. Do not do that just mindlessly and then realize that you have wasted too much time over there. Stop browsing mindlessly. Make certain hours and then browse. And number 5 is have your calendar. Have your calendar, before you jump on the social media, looking here and there, going, in the middle of somewhere drama going on. Have your calendar and to-do list ready, so that when you are looking at some kind of drama or anything, you are not distracted. When you have your list in front of you, then you will be reminding yourself, oh, I have to finish my tasks first. I will be participating in this later on. Whatever is going on the internet or social media, you can participate later on after finishing your task. So number 5 is have a mission for the day. have a mission for the day, that what you want to do, want to accomplish during the day. If you have to do two tasks, one task, or you whatever you have to do, either you have to set up your autoresponder, or you have to create content, or you have to write your blog, whatever you have to do, set up your mission for the day so that you are doing it, and at the end of the day you are saying, I finished it. If you do not have a mission for the day, then you're too distracted. Then you're gonna be answering every message on the messenger, you're gonna be looking at every email, and you're gonna be chatting mindlessly. So all those things are the reasons that you cannot focus. If you want to focus, then you have to stop saying yes to everything mindlessly. Stop saying yes to everything. If you are somebody asks you for some help, obviously you are going to help, but there should be certain hours to looking at those messages. If you are in the middle of your own task and you jump to help somebody else, that way you are not going to accomplish your own task, and you are not going to be able to help other people on the larger scale. So those are my 5 tips. Number 1 is start your day with the right foot, and number 2 is make fewer decisions, and number 3 is stop browsing mindlessly, and number 4 is have your calendar and your to-do list in front of you, and have a mission for the day.